Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Blockman GO game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman GO game on your device. And once you open it up, make sure you are logged into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which you can directly start enjoying various different games. Now, if you wish to set up two-factor authentication on your account, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner first. Then scroll down and tap on Security. Now, within the security page, you will see the two-factor authentication button. Go ahead and tap on this in order to turn it on. And once you do this, you will be asked to confirm using your email address that you have used to set up your account. If you haven't already set up your email, you can click on the Set Binding Mailbox option and you will now be allowed to use your email address. Type in your preferred email address and tap on the next button, and you will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check the inbox of the email address that you used and you will find your verification code. After entering this code, tap on the confirm button and now your email has been set. You can now turn on the two-factor authentication, and now every time you log in to your Blockman GO account, you will need to enter a 6-digit code that will be sent to the email address that you just binded your account to. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up two-factor authentication on your Blockman GO account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.